Hello everyone, my name is Saul Rodriguez and I do landscaping. Today I'm going to show you how I apply the law of cosines at one of my projects. The homeowner has asked for a triangular flower bed. Don't ask me why, I just work here. He wants it to be 11 feet and 5 feet with a 30-degree angle in between. That means we have side-side angle and I need to figure out what the other side is. So let's move inside and figure it out. So we're inside now. As we can see, here are my notes for the laws of cosines taken from 6.3 Law of Cosines by Professor Kellum. So as I mentioned, we have side, angle, side, two sides and the angle between them. So we're going to use one of our formulas. Here we have my paper. As I mentioned, he wants it to have a side of 11 feet, 5 feet, and he wants to have a 30-degree in between these two. So we need to figure out what this side is. We will name it C. So we will name this A. This is angle A. And this will be B. Therefore this one is B. And then this is angle C. So as I mentioned, we will use this formula. C squared equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. So we look here, we have C squared, that's what we're looking for, equals A squared is 11 squared. Then we have plus 5 squared minus 2 times 11 times 5 cosine of 30 degrees. Okay, so we have C squared is equal to 121 plus 25 minus 2 times 11 is 22 times 5. We have our handy dandy calculator. So we have 2, 11, 5. That is 110 cosine of 30. Okay. So we add these two together, which will give C squared is equal to 146 minus 110 cosine of 30 degrees. Make sure your calculator is in degrees. And we get 55 square root of 3. So we do that math. 146 minus 55 square root of 3 is equal to 50.7372 C squared is equal. Okay, so we take square root of C, square root of that, just leave it in your calculator as is. That way you get an exact answer, and we have C is equal to 7.12 feet. C is equal to 7.12 feet. So that is going to be the flower bed. We have this side, which is 11 feet. We have this side, which is 5 feet. And then we have this side, which is 7.12 feet. And just to clarify some of the things that you may be thinking, C doesn't mean it's always the hypotenuse. The drawing is not drawn to scale. So there's that. I hope my video was helpful and I hope you learned something from it.
Now you're gone, taking class online, I'm left